to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. Oh, you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew right from the start there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys do not know, my name is Monique, and what it do, boo? Y'all, I miss doing my intro. The last couple weeks I know I haven't been posting, but it's only because I had school and finals. If you were in school, you already know this was a pretty tough semester, I think just being online and all that other stuff. But your girl is done with classes. I'm ready to get back into recording, my reactions, makeup, all that good stuff for my channel. So what better way to come back than an eyebrow tutorial? Something short, quick, it won't be a long video. So I've already I don't even know if you could tell, but I've kind of shaped them up a little bit off camera. Went in with my tweezers and then the razor, the eyebrow razor or whatever. I just went in and cleaned it up a little bit. You didn't have to, but I did because it's been a long time since I cleaned up my eyebrows. So yeah, I just went to go ahead and do that. But y'all, don't mind my little thing on my head. It's just I was washing my hair and this is like my little, whatever you want to call it, I guess, to dry, like my towel for my hair. So for this, you will need whatever you guys use for your eyebrows. Doesn't matter. I use the Anastasia pomade, quick little brow pencil. You also need a concealer brush. Doesn't matter which one. Also make sure that you guys, it's very, sorry, I don't even know if you guys can see that, any makeup wipes. You guys will find out in a second. If you guys kind of make mistakes like I do, you know why you need makeup wipes in a second. I also have my concealer in the shade Toffee, if you guys can see that. It's the LA Pro Girl. And then I have my foundation from Maybelline in the shade 356. You guys remember seeing this one too. And then just a little regular sponge brush and my mirror for me to be able to look, because it takes me a while to do my eyebrows, so I need to look here. But yeah. So going in with my Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Ebony and my eyebrow brush, I'm going to start on the bottom of my brow and just make one line following the curve. And then using the spoolie, I'm going to brush up to just fill that dip in. And when I get to the top, I'm going to make another line, but this time I'm going to start a little behind my natural brow line and then use the spoolie to brush it down instead of up. And then I'm going to repeat it on the other side as well. Once I finish the other side, you guys can start to see the difference, which is what you want. So using the makeup wipes I talked about earlier, I'm going to use these to remove the excess dip. This just makes it easier when it comes time to apply my concealer. So I'm going to wipe the top and bottom and just follow the curve of my brow like you guys see me doing here. After I've used the wipes, you guys will be able to tell the difference from before. I definitely recommend investing in some makeup wipes. They definitely come in handy. Using my LA Pro Girl concealer and my brush, I'm going to go in on the bottom and I'm going to carefully follow the curve of my eyebrow, getting as close as possible all the way down, and then following the same action on the top. And then I'm just going to repeat that on the other side of my brow as well. So this next part really depends on what look you're going for. It's just up to you. But since the only thing I'm doing today makeup wise is my eyebrows, I'm going to go back over them with the concealer brush the same way I did with the concealer earlier. But I'm going to be using my foundation. And this just gives my eyebrows a more simple and natural look. Alright guys, so we are all finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and were able to follow along. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!